Okay, I'm at Petersham train station and let's film this lift. So this is a liferonic lift. The buttons are so big.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
So liferonic makes this lift very smooth. This lift is brand new. Close the doors.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
See, it's a liferonic lift. It says right there, and there's a brand. Very smooth. It's a skinny lift.
Bridge. Doors opening.
No triangle ledge. So that's it. Please like my video.